Hey, it's VJ Franz K. Look what just arrived in the back order from Musician's Friend. It's the VT4 from Roland voice transformer, and as you may have seen on my channel, I have been using the VT3 for quite a while, but the VT4, here it is, the sequel. And yes, I did test it at the synthesizer show a couple of months ago, but I decided to go ahead and purchase. One of the reasons is it's smaller, more portable, and it actually runs on batteries without having some sort of external power supply, which is good. So let's see, just take it out of the bag here. And you know, the controls are a little bit different on this one. And it has a MIDI in, which allows you to play the vocoder and other pitch-controlled effects. So you can get more precise control over your sound space that way. And basically, still the same basic controls, the balance from normal to effect. So 50% is right here. You can add a certain amount of reverb, which just, it's good at sometimes. You have the pitch control, which has a notch at the center, so you know what standard pitch is, or you can drop it plus or minus an octave. That's great. It's great that the sliders are such an intuitive form of control for this device. And you have the formant, which either makes your voice with high formant or low, so you know it will make your voice sound more male or female in the most broad sense, but you know it might also, that's not all that formant does. I mean, a little formant adjustment, you're not really sure what has happened, but the voice sounds very subtly different. And sometimes it can be interesting to take the pitch way down low, but bring the formant way up, because that'll bring out something very unusual in the voice, like, you know, and you have the key adjustment over here if you want to use that. Anyway, it'll be better for me to demonstrate this with the power running and a microphone actually connected to it, but we'll do that very soon. I just wanted to take the box off. And here we go.